Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for digital marketing services. Whether you are managing client payments or handling service fees, Infinitepay.io provides a streamlined way to handle your transactions. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the digital marketing section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to digital marketing services. Now, to receive payments for your services, create an invoice or payment request through your Infinitepay.io account. Include details such as service description, amount due, and payment terms. If you want to make a payment for digital marketing services, select on Send Payment option, enter the recipient's details including their payment information and the amount to be paid. Now, after doing that, review the payment details and confirm the transaction. Make sure to include any references or notes relevant to the services being paid for. Now you can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment statuses, view transaction history, and handle any issues that may arise. Ensure that all parties have set up their payment details correctly to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for digital marketing services. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for marketing activities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.